Hi everyone, welcome to this YouTube Live. Let me share my screen first of all. So this YouTube Live is about, we are having a project in Omdena from the Córdoba Hub about detecting and monitoring land use transformation in Córdoba, Argentina using satellite imagery. I will be doing in this live the front-end visualizations. We have a Slack group and a lot of people were involved in the backend part, in the models and all that stuff, but not so many in the front-end. So I decided to take a step ahead and start designing the front-end for this application. Let me share with you a little bit about how is this application really quick. So this is the idea. We have a front end where it's a user that could request he want to see if it were some deforestation in some place in Córdoba. So he sent the request in the front end, and this communicated with the backend that is building fast API. It has a Redis, so it makes kind of a keyway, so it keeps waiting so the system doesn't grow a lot and fails eventually. Then goes to a pre-process steps where you find the Sentinel image of Google Earth Engine, another process with some geospatial libraries. Here I'm missing a row, but eventually will go this image that we download from Google Earth Engine will go to a change detection model. From there, we will storage. I don't know if the full image, if just if we found deforestation or what, that it's unknown. And then we have I put a chat bot and report. We are not really sure how this will be, but chatbot and report that comes to the front end and the user receives the notification. That's essentially what we want to boil. I will build the front using Bolt just because I paid for a full month, and to be honest, I didn't like it, so I already canceled it. Why I didn't like it? Just because it's really beautiful first, but then when you have a really big application, starts to fail a lot, starts to delete a lot of code and go again and and I didn't like that at all. But okay, I have 9 million tokens, so let's burn those tokens. I will use React, so we press here React. He will start installing some stuff of React. But first, let's see about a little bit how we will do this. So I have here initial tags from frontend, design and develop an intuitive user interface to visualize land use change results, deforestation, urban expansion, integrate seamlessly with the backend and API. This part we can mock it just to make it work. If we have some issues and we want to see, we can mock the response of the backend because we don't have a backend. And ensure a user-friendly experience, allowing non-technical stakeholders to explore, compare, and export data or findings. Yeah. Then we have the to-dos, UX, UI requirements, gator requirements, understand key user flows, uploading image, monitoring queue status, and final change detection maps. Uploading the image, a user will not upload the image, he will request yeah, I don't know how to call it, request. Identify any specific accessibility needs or constraints. Colorblind friendly palettes. Okay, this is for people that might have I don't know the name in English, but some issue with colors. Create wireframes mockups, draft initial layouts in Figma, Sketch, or similar tools to illustrate user journey. This is really important, but I will jump over just because I'm not really good at this, and I will let Bolt make maybe this part. But always it's important at least to make something. I like to draw manually, actually, when I do this, but some other people like to use Figma or other tools. Include basic components like navigation menus, file upload forms, basic progress indicators, and map layouts. Deliverable, low fidelity wireframes. Okay, interactive map visualization, select mapping library, leaflet, mapbox. Actually, I think we will use leaflet just because it's free. Mapbox. Yeah, Mapbox, it has like a pretty good free resources. Mapbox, yeah, it has a lot of free resources. As you can see, it's like here it says all the free resources, maps, and where are search, style sheets. You have like a lot for monthly, but then if you start paying. Leaflet, it's actually free, so let's use leaflet. Display the layers, overlay for indies. Yeah, this all can be molded and changed and whatever. I want to build something quick just to show how easy and good it is to validate something. Connect to the backend. Yeah, we will mock this up for sure. Display task status and result. So because we are having kind of this Redis, we want like to have like something so the users know, hey, we are nothing failed. We are still processing a lot of stuff, and then we will process yours. Once yours is done, we'll let you know. Why we will do that? Just because for now we are not charging any money, and having all this in a cloud, it's really expensive. So I want to use a EC2 instance of Amazon Web Service, one of the smallest ones, so it cannot process too much image at the same time. But yeah, essentially that's the way. Error handling, okay, if something fails, let's know the user. Report and export features, okay, this is nice. Like once I get the image, we can mock up this part, the response of the API. So we let know the user, we can build this actually. Some export, so you can download this in a PDF, maybe to share with, I don't know, if you're working at the government or something, to share with your partners or some stuff like that. Enable exporting GeoJSON, so if we found some deforestation, you can download a GeoJSON. A GeoJSON is just a JSON, but with coordinates, latitude, longitude of different points, making that easy. Yeah, and yeah, save load projects if you want like to save like a place, a forest that you want to preserve, something like that. You save and then you request whenever you want. That's cool. Okay, so performance, collaborative, and next steps. Yeah, okay, let's do it. Let's go first to ChatGPT. Let's say here I have like a full project. Hey, I have this project. I will start working in the front end, and I have this. So some information for him to know. Yeah, let's close this, close this. Let's close this now. I will use some LLMs that help you build cool front ends with just a couple of prompts. Can you help me making these prompts? We will be using React and just JavaScript. Yeah. Okay. A really poor prompt to ChatGPT refine the final prompt for Bolt. Let's see what it is. While we are waiting, I want to show you a tool that I saw the other day. This one, and I want to actually see if we can make it. We can make look cool stuff in change detection in this thing. What is basically this? You can I can take screenshot of this, paste it here, and I say, hey, can you hide the word Molmo in the image with a giant baby? Let's see if this works. But essentially, scenario to hide the word Molmo with a giant baby in this image. The image shows Molmo logo and then yeah, I want to hide the logo of Molmo with a baby or a red point, just to show this amazing tool. Let's see if it works. Okay, I don't know why this doesn't work, but let's use map deforestation. Let's see this. Sentinel2. What we can use? Maybe we can use this one. Okay, this look like deforestation in Colombia, but this look like a fire. So maybe let's take like a screenshot here. New chat, let me take a screenshot. Could you point where it's happening a fire? And also where are, yeah, let's kill this. This is a VLM, like instead of large language model, a vision language model. Now it's like going too slow. I was testing today and was working really amazing with different approach. Let's see. Okay, so let's keep with this. First prompt, build a React component using yeah, but I don't like this prompt. I want a more bigger prompt and general, talking and giving context about what will be the application and the use case and all that. Bolt doesn't know anything. Let's see if he gives me a okay, nothing happened, bro. Okay, it's happening at 5, so in the pink slot. We're here. Actually, that looks wrong. I was hoping that it points me here, but okay. Can you point me all the places with forests? Let's see, I want to point me all the really green places. Let's see. Let's see, can you point me all the places with forests? It's still thinking. Yeah, It wasn't what I was expecting. Let's see if he give me a more bigger prompt. Okay, prompt. You are tasked with creating the front end for an advanced satellite imagery analysis platform. The application is part of a project focused on detecting and monitoring land use change, such as deforestation or urban expansion. Using satellite imagery in Córdoba, Argentina, this tool will be used by various stakeholders, including government, NGOs, environmental, blah, blah. The backend is built using Fast API integrated with Redis. Okay, that we could avoid. Let's see here. Yeah, the backend is built using Fast API. Okay, maybe let him know that with Redis for queuing and handling task concurrency, it's cool. So he knows that the frontend could wait a lot. Setting image, processing them, and retrieving results. No, updating satellite image, provide endpoints for updating satellite image. That's wrong. For processing satellite images. We build with React and JavaScript. Yes. Okay, nice, cool. Key features of the application: interact my viewer, task management dashboard. Yes. File upload. Yes. Reporting. Yes. Responding. Yes. Can I throw all these big? What else we have? Technical context, integration with backend. Yes. User friendly, yes. That's for the front end. Develop the main layout, build interactive map, implement app integration. Let's take out the part of upload for upload files. Handle API errors, create a dashboard, yes. Design the reporting system, yes, I like it, yeah, I like it. Okay, it's a big prompt. I don't know if it will fail or not, but let's try it. I have 9 million tokens to burn, so why not? Okay, let's see what's going on. He's building stuff. I really like Bolt for, okay, it looks like he finished. Oh, nice. Time period, layer opacity, dashboard, map viewer, upload data. Okay, he did something, at least he import leaflet in some part or whatever. But let's ask, hey, I want first to have a nice and explanatory landing page for this. And you make that first. Don't delete the code you already did. Looks. So I was using Bolt, and one thing that I was totally regret of paying, it was that he keeps deleting and deleting and deleting the code that he already built. Like you say, hey, I really like this, but could you change this little part? And he delete everything. So that's it's like a really pain in the ass. I don't know if I'm making something wrong. Maybe that's totally possible. But yeah. Okay, so he create a satellite image analysis platform, advanced satellite image for monitoring land use change, deforestation, and urban expansion in Argentina. Launch platform, learn more. Okay, if we press learn more, we go to the next part, offer features, interactive map, advanced analytics, easy data upload, real time, secure and reliable, multiple data source. Okay, so far so good, looks amazing. Ready to start monitoring. Okay, view documentation. Yeah, that's nothing. Join researchers, organization, government agency already using our platform. Okay, this looks great. Launch platform. Amazing. We have like kind of already the place where you will essentially log in, and then you press there, map viewer, upload data. Okay, it takes you here. So let's say, hey, this looks great. Can you add an image behind the, I want to add an image behind this part. What type of image? We can have like a type of image that makes sense with what we are building. Something like this, but this, I don't know, too small. Something like satellite imagery. Some cool satellite image or something similar. Don't delete any code. It looks great. It looks great. Yeah, works. Okay, so let's see. Let me put my air condition. Yeah. Okay, I like it. Now it has like a cool image of the world. And we can like add also an image in the VIA, but I don't know how easy will be this. Yeah, we can ask like, let's ask, now can you make also, now can you add an image behind this section? And make all the, how can you call it, the titles as cards, so it keeps in the cards the how you call the back white. I want an image more like a forest from the sky or something more greener. Now I want like something, not the planet, something like this. I want something greener. Let's see if he's able. So what we actually will do after this is we have here the export, and we export it. So then I can use this code in Cursor and connect with the backend, because here you don't have the capabilities to have a strong backend. And even I can deploy it and share it with my friends and the people that we are building this. Okay, look, he did the cards, but it's some kind of image, but here it's white. So let's take a screenshot. Let's paste the screenshot. It wasn't paid. One moment. Okay. The cards looks great, but I actually want the same background. behind the cast to be here in this section. So he understands this. And I want something more greener. Right now, I cannot almost see. Again, don't change any code. No, don't delete any code. Looks great, everything you build. Okay, let's see how we go with this. And what happened with Molmo? Okay, can you point the place with forest? It didn't do anything. Maybe it's not so great as I was hoping. Oh, take a look, it's making something. Nah. But okay, I think that for this kind of task, I didn't try it for change detection, but you can say like images of people. And you can say like here, like, take a screenshot here, there are too many people here. How many people are in the image? Can you point them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now I don't like it. Why? Because it's like a big change. I asked exactly for this, but I would like that this part takes all the screen, and once I change, it goes to the bottom. So let's, amazing. I love it. Great work. Don't kill me when you take part of there. So let's ask for one tweak now. I want that the section of this section take all the screen. And once you start scrolling to the bottom, you see the other image. Do you understand me? Don't delete any code. Looks great. Let's see if we can make it better. Let's see, Molmo. Well, what the fuck? It took like the image. Well, didn't work as expected. Shit happens. More when you are doing a live things. More often, actually. I'm sorry. Okay, we have a problem. Okay, where? No, I don't understand if the image, if this image was too big. But it looks like he understands what I was asking. Okay, yeah, it make it great now. Okay, so it takes all the image, and then we go, and this takes all the image, and then we have like a footer. Then if we want, we can keep adding stuff, but so far so good. Learn more, we go to the second part. easy data upload, advanced analytic, interactive map viewer, real-time processor, secure and reliable, multi-data sources, whatever. View documentation, app, launch platform, we go to the platform. Documentation to support, okay. Whatever. So what we want to have here, that's the big thing. And we can go to see what ChatGPT gives me as some prompts. So we have reports, processing, upload data, map viewer. Okay. Okay, so let's say, looks amazing. Now I want to focus in the map viewer section. We should be able to add how, because now I want to add a place here, like I want to be able, like, okay, I want to select this place to see here. I want to select this place to see if it was any deforestation. So I want to be able to point this. So we should have a section to for upload area of interest, something like this, where you can upload your own GeoJSON or select from the lit map the area of interest, and that area will be saved in the DB. So you will want to send this to a backend. For now, we don't have a backend, so just mock up that call, and then we will have a section of like my places, something like that, where you see your places, or even in my places you can upload new places, some stuff like that, where you see all the places that you save. Okay, here you have like a names prompt. I will copy this and let's try to see what it makes. Create a map viewer component with the following features. Okay, let's try it. Please don't delete any code you did. All looks amazing. Let's do it like this. Oh, nice. The founder of Bumble, it's going back to be the CEO of Bumble. Let's see what they do because they have a lot of competence now. Okay, but we must focus on this. Okay, supposedly he did something. We still have all this stuff. Learn more, blah, launch platform, upload my places, upload that. Okay, and now in this map, what is this? Oh, cool. We can like even upload here. But how I can select a place? Upload GeoJSON, my places, and map viewer. But let's take a screenshot here. Looks great, but I want the section my places to be as part of the left section. And you can delete the upload data section because will be inside the my places section. I think so. Yeah. Please don't delete any code. Looks great. Okay, we are really close to having at least a really mock-up for this, but take a look in a couple of minutes. We did a bunch of stuff. So yeah, this is great. Then we will deploy it. So I share it with my friends on Dena. And from there we will see. Okay, so launch, take a look. Now he put like this button. I like always that button. Launch platform. You come here. We have my places, but I want my places to be here. But okay, fucker. And now we can like, we don't have these buttons. Here. So they are not so clear. Maybe then you can add a place, but now we can do something like, okay, I want to add this place. So now I will do a box. It's not working properly because you add like, you must add like different points, but this one I can add different points. Okay, look. Great, area of interest. This is great. We have already a couple of areas of interest, and eventually then we can like click in this one and take us to a section of this area, and then we can make requests and all that. But we have this mocked up right now, but at least this works great. Oh, we have an error. What's this error? Attempt to fix. Why not? And even we can upload a GeoJSON. GeoJSON.ao. You have some page like this one that is powered by Mapbox, where you can do the same. Like a place here. We can delete that. I don't know if I do this. We have a place here, and you copy or you even save as your JSON, and you can save as different formats. But at least for a start, that's your JSON. Then we can add more and more stuff. Oh no, what happened? Okay, we are almost there. We will finish in a couple of minutes. Please work. Okay, yeah, it works. Okay, we have those places, upload it, and yeah. Let's work on these parts. Yeah. Or, oh, I know, I want to add here like the button of WhatsApp. So, hey, if you have any question, yeah, we have the button of WhatsApp and we can help you. Can you please add the button of WhatsApp in the top, no, the bottom right corner? So if someone has any question or doubt, it can speak directly with us. I will put my WhatsApp, no, let's do it the full one. We need don't delete any code, looks great. Okay, so I hope that, okay, let's see what the game's out first. Chan Chan, and I'm killing the tokens. That's nice because I want to kill it before they expire. Where is my button? Oh, here. Yeah, exactly. This is what I don't want. I was hoping the button is here. And once you launch the platform, you don't have more the button and you can go to support. So let's say, hey, thanks, but a little mistake. I want the button to appear with the logo of WhatsApp. And actually, I want the button just in the landing page. Once you are inside the platform, I don't want the button to appear. I don't want the button to appear. For now, let's focus on that. With this, we will be at OK for now. And we will finish this session of almost an hour making a platform, and we will deploy it so you can actually see how easy it's to now to deploy something and validate that, hey, I like this, I want to do it. Okay, let's see, still thinking. Okay, so now yes, we have the button, and I will have my WhatsApp here. And let's see, points me out, and I will talk with myself. Message yourself. That looks great. So, and here it's not even there, the button. Maybe then I will like this to be in dark mode, just because this is not dark mode, but the image it makes make it look like. So launch platform, my places. It's not so clear that you can add a place here, like with these features. So we should like add a place, or even have an instruction in how to add a place, point to a YouTube video so they can know how to add a place and all that stuff. But for now, we are good to go, I think so. So, hey, let's deploy it. Let's first export. I will download the code. Let's open in stack builds just to have it here too. Here we have, and let's deploy. Okay, we will deploy the application, deploy in Netlify. And yeah. And so, yeah, here we have our link to the platform. Learn more, we go to this next section, yeah, launch platform, we go to this part, and here we can upload our JSON, and we know that this is not really clear, but here we can like make that. This still, we need to make those buttons to work and see what we keep here and what we take out. But for now, I think it's pretty nice. So, hey, thanks for watching. I will hope to make another live session to finish this on Sunday. So from here, 2 days. Bye-bye.